We have finally made it back to another McDonald's on part of our, not really our world trip, an extra trip at the end of our world trip. We kind of stopped visiting McDonald's once we got to Europe because they were essentially all the same, but we've made it to Colombia. They've got a few, very few different items that we're gonna try. Yeah, we're gonna share that with you guys. We ended up getting 3 different items, which isn't that many, but there wasn't that much on the menu to choose from. According to our receipt, we got a crispy chicken legend, which is like their new sandwich this month. We've got the Kola Roman, which is like a very pink fruity drink. And we've got a Pop Tasty, which is the loaded French fries. So Tyler's actually super sick right now, so I'm gonna be doing most of this, which luckily there's not many things to try. First up is the drink. Tastes like cough syrup. Fries are pretty good. Definitely have like a smoky flavor to them. This is gonna be the shortest video ever.
If you give it a thumbs up or down?
Drink down. Fries good. Sandwich messy. Tastes okay. Yeah, I give it a thumbs up. Lots of stuff on it though. All right, sick Tyler, say hi.
Hi.
How you feeling today?
Not very good. Oh, yeah, it's like a carbonated cocktail.
Thumbs up or down? Fries? Yeah. Messy?
Messy but good.
You like that one?
Yeah. Let's get dessert.
Oh yeah. We need one more. You got enough ice cream?
Thanks so.
Gracias. You got it?
Yep.
And just like always, we saved our desserts for last. Now it is Colombia and it is very hot, so we're gonna eat the ice creams first. We have 3 different things here. We have the Chocorama McFlurry, blackberry and caramel cone ice cream, and the blackberry peanut sundae. Also got some pop sugar things from the cafe, but we're saving those for last because they don't melt. Have to get a little caramel and blackberry. So good.
Is it?
That might be the best dessert I've ever had.
Wow.
For McDonald's. The blackberry sundae. Also, very tasty. Lots of peanuts, but pretty tasty. The Chocorama sundae. No, McFlurry.
All thumbs ups?
All thumbs up for me.
Wow.
This one though, best ever.
Oh, that is very good.
Is it as good as I hyped it up to be?
Not as good as you hyped it up to. It's
Lies. Lies.
Still thumbs up.
Blackberry sundae.
Kind of tastes similar to this, so thumbs up. All right. My choco one that I picked.
Chocorama. I know that one's gonna be yours. Yeah. Which one's your favorite?
Chocolate.
Chocorama. Yum. All thumbs up though?
Yeah.
Wow.
All good.
Desserts in Colombia, very good. Food at Colombia McDonald's, not so good. We decided to bring our very last treat from McDonald's home with us while we overlook the beach from our hotel room. It tastes like a dinner roll.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. All right. Even though the food at McDonald's here in Colombia was kind of a bust, the desserts were excellent and we would recommend it just for that. We know this video was short, but if you enjoyed it, make sure to check out our other McDonald's around the world videos in this playlist and make sure to check out our Colombia videos. We will see you next time. Make sure to subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye.